Ako si Jaden. My name is Jaden. Welcome back to... Oh. Welcome back to... Welcome to... Some story. I don't remember this game. Tingnan ko yan.
Familiar sa likod. Tingnan ko yung likod.
Ayoko na nga.
Tingnan mo yung tunog ng likod. Oo, tingnan mo yung tunog
Beach
natin sa
stick
likod.
underground dito.
Tingnan mo yung tunog sa likod.
Kaya samahan mo ko.
Tingnan mo yung tunog natin at ni... Tunog natin at ni...
Please naman.
Parang ano, yung tunog natin at ni Luffy. Maingay tayo.
Halik ka na.
Alam ko, Silverstone.
How you lead it.
Oh, what?
Ganda to pa.
Ay, mahiga. Di mo no.
Papatugtog ko ako maganda.
Ay, mahiga.
Yun ka yan? After the storm.
Oh, don't shoot at me.
Nag-upload mo yan dito na.
Oo nga po.
Nakikita sa sili ko.
Sorry.
Dito, ganyan mo.
Okay. Oh, hindi ko nakikita. Oh, man. Tapos na. Kakastart pa lang video. Oh.
Maganda nga kanta na After the Storm.
Wag na. Mga baya. Anong kanta ba yan?
After the Storm.
Hindi ko na naintindihan. Oh. Um,
Mahal.
Ito na yung maganda.
hindi ko... Ah. Workshop yun lang? That's all? Oh, okay. Okay guys, let's search. Oh, what? Ano kaya?
Wine in
Hindi ko
Brazil.
yan.
Maganda kanta na Wine in Brazil eh. Ano pa ito pa?
Ay. Ah. Okay guys. Okay, I need the sword, so I don't care. Oh, okay. Okay guys, type on a comment that I said. Okay guys.
Oh, entonces estoy a
dog. The chunk. Man. Yeah. Bakit talongin mo? Amin mo, hindi mo. Oh, dang it. Relaxing thing that you can punch. His name is Ad.
But there's one foe I could never defeat. Karma. And yet, no matter who you are, if you've done something terrible, I guarantee you'll get your just desserts. And the rest of us will be watching and laughing. From Animal Avengers to some particularly sticky comeuppances, here's a whole heap of times that karma came for awful people. Chipotle chump. Now, I've never really liked Chipotle. It's much too spicy for me. But sometimes it's not just the food that's firing. Back in September 2023, Rosemary Hain rocked up to a Chipotle restaurant in Parma, Ohio, looking for some grub. A member of the staff named Emily Russell happily served her, but Hain wasn't so happy. For some reason, she didn't want the paper order had been prepared. Eager to help her customer, Emily had the order remade. Hain still moaned. So Emily remade it again, but apparently it still wasn't good enough. What? Emily knew the order was fine, and it was a standard serving of exactly what she'd asked for, but Hain lost it. She started screaming, shouting, and swearing at poor Emily. Ah, yes, the 3 S's, a Karen's greatest weapon. Emily tried her best to defuse the situation, handing her business card. But this wasn't good enough for Hain. Oh no. Instead of being reasonable about the situation, she kept her bullet on food and slapped Emily in the face.
Okay, go. I just want to play, man. What
She
the?
soon clammed up and slipped away, never to return. And good riddance. Please, if you have kids, don't be like that douchebag. Raise them right. Like by watching my vids together. Go on, hit those like and subscribe buttons and feed your brains with a whole load of awesome real-life stories like these. If you don't, you might get some
How
carpet
do watch travel? I didn't want travel.
A raging storm brewed within her, something powerful, almost otherworldly. She slammed her
Okay
fist on the desk
guys,
and demanded to see the
bye-bye.
manager.
See you
Well, how
later
unexpected.
or
But you see, she got herself so worked up that she had a violent coughing
like
fit,
or
and that raging storm inside her. It wasn't just
subscribe
anger. She
guys.
coughed so hard that right there in front of everybody,
I
she
think I
exploded
have
from her
more
rear end while
subscribers
wearing
now
beige pants.
because
Red-faced, the
I
embarrassed woman
said
promptly
that.
shut up and slunk away. As for Cooper and the girl who'd been shouting at, it was all that.